The well-known Julia Fashion magazine implemented a new strategy in 2008. They tried to to concentrate in people under 50 years old. They had a new strategy where they tried to make content more recent and try to make it a little bit more easy for the youth. This was a really good uh, technique, and their sales began to rise until 2010 when they reached 50 million sales. The problem was that they only concentrated on the youth, and the adults over 50 years began to decrease and they couldn't do anything. In this last bar graph, we can see that in 2011 the adults rate was almost half of 2008. This was a really important problem and they couldn't fix it.